Good afternoon, all you big kids out there. Vince Wrinkles Howard here from the Isla Morada on a sunny, beautiful afternoon, October 16th. I want to share with you another Sofia Says story from my blog. Kids can say the funniest things. We were headed to the park, the library park, to swing and play in the jungle gym. And we're strolling down Carroll Street, South Carroll Street, and of course we're looking at the flowers, and we saw some raccoons, and we're studying the cats, and then looking at the trees, and there was a lot of birds on the street, and they were chirping and flying and singing, and I said to Sophia, I said, don't you wish we could sing like a bird? And I started tweet, 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 tweet. And this fired her up, and she started smiling. I bent over and looked at her in the buggy, and she said, that would be fun. And I said, yeah, and just think if we could fly. We wouldn't have to take the stroller and walk all the way over to the library park. We could just fly over there. We'd be there in 2 minutes. And she laughed and said, that would be fun. And then she says to me, and you know, Vinny Bob, we could sit on the roof of the building. Oh boy, kids can say the funniest things. And I hope you have a great afternoon, and thanks for watching this funny kids video. And if you have a good kid story, please share it with me on the blog, kidscansaythefunniestthings.com, or on my Facebook page, Kids Can Make You Laugh. Thanks so much.